Let's stir up this aloo bhujiya, which is a potato curry that is so easy and so delicious. What you need for this is 2 diced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 cups or 4 to 5 potatoes sliced thin, 1 teaspoon each of salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, 3 to 4 slices of green chilies, 1/4 cup chopped coriander. So let's get started. You're going to take your pan and add about 1/4 cup of oil on medium flame, and then add your cumin seeds and onions, and you're going to fry this really well together. Again, you want to make sure that the onions and the cumin seeds don't burn, so keep your flame on medium to medium low. Once the onions are translucent, you can add your tomatoes in here. We had diced our tomatoes. You can certainly use pre-diced tomatoes, or you can also use puree. I like the tomatoes to stick out, so I use fresh tomatoes in my curry. Then we're gonna add all our remaining spices. Now, just hold back on the green chilies and the coriander because that is for garnish, but the remaining spices can go in at this point. You're gonna mix this really well. So continuously stir for about 5 minutes until it looks like this. And then to make sure the tomatoes cook really well, we're gonna put our lid on and let it cook under steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna come back, and as we take the lid off, we can get the fragrance. It's delicious, it smells amazing. Continuously stir this, and at this point, you're ready to add your potatoes. As you can see, I had thinly sliced this, so it should not take much longer for us to cook the potatoes. So we're gonna just mix it gently with all of the masala, the spices. And once the potatoes are mixed in, we want to make sure that they cook really well at an equal temperature. So we're going to put our lid back on and let this simmer for about 10 minutes on low flame. Make sure your flame is low so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And after 10 minutes, this is how it looks, and you can already smell how amazing it is. And as you can see, the potatoes are breaking really nicely, so you know they're cooked. At this point, I'm going to add my green chilies and coriander. Again, you don't want it too spicy. You can certainly omit the green chilies, but I like to add a little bit of the flavor of the chilies. Also, it adds a nice color to the potatoes. And now we just let it rest for a little bit, and you can serve this as a side or as a main with roti or naan bread. This is how it looks. Definitely try it out. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.